Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are comparing two popular scheduling tools, Calendly and HubSpot. Both offer unique features for managing appointments and meetings, but which one is right for you? So let's break it down. So here, let's start with Calendly. So here's Calendly. It's an easy to use scheduling tool that allows you to set up your availability and let clients or team members book meetings with you, syncs with your calendar, and automatically finds the best time slots. Here, the Calendly user-friendly interface makes it super simple to set up. You can create event types, integrate with Zoom, Google, or Meet, and even collect payment for consultation. Now let's talk about the HubSpot. The HubSpot is primarily a CRM platform, but it also offers a meeting scheduling feature as part of its sales tools. You can connect your calendar, send personalized booking links, and integrate your CRM to track leads and interactions. Here, HubSpot scheduling is more robust when it comes to managing sales funnels, keeping track of customer interactions, and adding more advanced automation actions. When it comes to ease of use, I think Calendly is known for its simplicity. If you need no full scheduling tool, Calendly is a great pick. On the other hand, HubSpot offers more complex features that are perfect if you want a full CRM solution along with your scheduling tool. So if you just need to schedule meetings, Calendly is a breeze. But if you need to manage leads, track customer interactions, and automate your sales pipeline, HubSpot's scheduling tool might be more suited for you. Calendly offers integrations with a range of tools, including video conferencing platforms, payment processes, but HubSpot shines with its deep integration into its own CRM system, along with other sales and marketing tools. So if you already use HubSpot for your sales or marketing efforts, HubSpot scheduling features will integrate seamlessly. And here, Calendly offers a free version with limited feature, while this HubSpot meeting scheduler is included in its free CRM plan. I hope this comparison helped you decide which scheduling tool fits your needs. And if you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. And see you in the next video.